over Alden or near Darien Lake State Park, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Clarence, Batavia, East Aurora, Darien Lake State Park, Alma, Marilla, Pembroke, Warsaw, Bennington, and Colden. This includes Interstate 90 between exits 48 and 48. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.